I'm not here to motivate you. This is just my list. 49 things which I want to do in 2026. No explanation, just a list. Hi guys, this is Akanksha and welcome to Life with Akanksha. If you guys are new to my channel, I am a 24-year-old girl who recently quit her job and is trying to earn money online digitally, and I document my journey here on this YouTube channel so that you guys don't make the same mistakes I am making, and side by side you can learn whatever is working for me. So it's the 31st today, last year of 2025. I had a great year and I want to achieve many things in 2026. For this purpose, I am finally writing in this diary which I got this year and never opened. This is my things I wish to do diary, and I have just made a list here. I will not write anything else इसमें. I'll just mark off the things जो मैंने कर लिए and jot down more things which I want to achieve. And it has cute dinosaurs. Alright, so here's a list of 49 things which I want to achieve/do in 2026, and one of those things is not a 9 to 5. So please support me in my digital journey so that I can earn money digitally and achieve all my wishes. Let's get right into my list. So things I want to achieve in 2026: start my fitness journey, be a good person and not be somebody who is rude to customer service providers or the people who are working in customer service jobs. Buy my very first iPhone. To a less polluted city, self-explanatory. Become financially independent. Smile more. Get 10k subscribers on YouTube. Okay, support me guys. Be a grateful person. I want to be somebody who is grateful for things in life. Be more spiritual. See Burj Khalifa for the first time. Get my nails done on regular intervals. Punch at least one person in the face who talks about me getting married. Eliminate/reduce the use of plastic in my life. Visit at least 3 states in India. If possible, get a pet dog. Eat more fruits. Take good care of my skin and hair. Not support fast fashion brands. Try to be environmentally conscious in my life. This is a very major thing which I want to start with. Meditate more. Empower at least one person. Spend less time on screen. Start journaling. You guys can check out my digital journal, ka link in description. Click lots of pictures for memories. Learn a new skill. Spend times on my hobbies. Let my creative self live. I killed her in when I was 22 and joined my very first job in 2023. I want to, let that girl live who was a very creative person who chose designing on her own and who used to make assignments at 3 a.m. not because she wanted to get them done, but because she really loved what she was doing. Be more available for friends and be the first one to reach out to them, even if they are not reaching out to me. Join something to volunteer, like a cleaning drive. Create a routine for myself. Read 12 books, physical books, not ebooks. Doom scroll less. Stop being stop being friends with somebody who forces you to drink/smoke. Improve your sleep cycle. Avoid sugar, processed food. Join a dance class. Listen to more music. Take a hike. Go on a hike. I have never went hiking. See snow, real snow. I have never ever seen real snowfalls, real snow. Go to a concert. Go to a concert. Maybe Snuditi Chauhan. Watch a cricket match in stadium. Learn to swim. Build an emergency fund. Learn a new language. So I know Hindi, English, Punjabi. I want to learn something else. Create a calendar for myself. Celebrate occasions, anything big or small. Draw clear boundaries where I am uncomfortable. Learn to cook good. Not just learn to cook good. Put myself first always. So with that, this is my list which I want to achieve in 2026, guys. Please be a dear, follow me on my Instagram, subscribe to my YouTube channel, be helpful, buy my digital products so that I can earn money digitally and I do not have to go back to a 9 to 5 job because I'm not making any money to live and to sustain, to survive. Then I'll have to go to 9 to 5 and I won't be do anything of this own and all the dragons will cry. If you don't want to make the dragons cry, support me in my digital journey. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching Akanksha with Life with Akanksha. I love you guys. Thank you for watching and keep watching my videos. If you want my socials, they are in the description.